Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lizzie. Please subscribe and share if you're just tuning in for the first time, and for returning subscribers, I really love you guys so much. Thank you all. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to tie this trending ghillie, and it's not difficult at all. Today I'm going to be doing a detailed tutorial on how this ghillie was tied. So I'm just really going to be taking my time to explain step by step on how this ghillie was tied. And if this video helps you in any way, guys, please don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe and share. I really love it when you guys share my videos. Thank you all so much. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my ghillie. You're going to fold the edges of your ghillie so that when you place it on your head, it doesn't come out rough. The rough part of your ghillie does not show, which is the edges. The rough part does not show. So you're just going to fold the edges before making your pleats. So for me, I made about 5 pleats before placing this ghillie on my head. In this ghillie tutorial today, I didn't really skip so many parts. Like I said at the beginning, it's a detailed tutorial, so I believe that you guys are really going to get it. And this ghillie is not difficult at all. It is very simple. So right now, the rule for this particular ghillie is 70-30. One hand of your ghillie has to really be longer than the other hand of your ghillie. And the hand that I am holding right now is the 70 part of my ghillie. That is what you have to hold first. So right now I'm just going to make infinity pleats, just the normal round pleats with this 70 parts of my ghillie. Practice makes perfect, they say. If you do not know how to make pleats, round pleats, fan pleats, any type of pleats at all, guys, please do check out my previous videos. They're really going to help you to know how to tie any ghillie and know how to make pleats, any type of pleats at all. Guys, just check out my previous videos and you will love it. So right now I'm done with the 70 part of my ghillie. I'm just going to take the remaining part of it towards the other side of my face and pin it so that my ghillie does not unravel. If you're going to be tying this ghillie for someone, you can just ask the person to hold this part I pinned while you continue with the second part of your ghillie. While you continue with the second part of your ghillie, you can just ask them to hold the other part so that the ghillie does not unravel and so that it stays firm on your head. So right now I'm just going to make round pleats with the 30 part of my ghillie. It's not difficult to make pleats at all. Usually I call them folds because it's just a way of bending your ghillie so that it gives you a precise, definite and beautiful look. So it's not difficult at all. So I'm just going to remove the pin I used to pin the 70 part of my ghillie. I'm going to keep stretching the both hand so that it's firm on my head. So when it's firm, I'm just going to continue. Right now, I'm just going to knot the two hands of my ghillie, which is the 70 and the 30 part. I'm just going to knot it. When you're doing this, you just have to make sure that your ghillie is really firm on your head. As you can see, one hand of my ghillie is really longer than the other hand of my ghillie. The hand I'm holding right now is the shorter part of my ghillie, which is the 30 part of my ghillie. So I'm just going to take the 30 part of my ghillie towards the back and pin it, because if I don't do that, it's going to obstruct me when I'm trying to tie the 70 part of my ghillie. So when you're doing this for yourself, just take the 30 part of your ghillie towards the back and pin it. And when you're done, hold the 70 part of your ghillie and take your hand in between, so that it gives you that nice style at the middle. We're just going to form a bow with the 70 part of our ghillie right now. This is not difficult at all. All I did was to use my hand, place it at the middle, and divide the 70 part of my ghillie, while the 30 part of my ghillie just stays pinned at the back of my head. So right now I feel like this bow is okay. I'm comfortable with it. You just have to keep adjusting and adjusting your bow until you're comfortable with what you have. So I'm just going to, I removed the pin at the back from the 30 part of my ghillie. I'm just going to bring it towards the front, take it towards, place it at the middle of the 70 part of my ghillie, and pin it. There are just so many 70 30, 70 30, 70 30. I do hope that you guys understand what I am saying, but this is not difficult at all. I promise you guys. So right now, all I'm doing is just to adjust my ghillie to make sure that it stays nice on my head. It doesn't fall when I'm dancing, and it's pretty and I'm comfortable with what I have. So I'm just going to keep adjusting and adjusting until I feel like I am good to go. So at any point where you feel it's necessary that you have to pin it, please do that so that your ghillie does not unravel. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, guys, don't be shy to thumbs me up, and don't be shy to subscribe and share my videos. Guys, please share my videos. I just really love it when you guys do that. Thank you all so much for watching. I do hope that this ghillie tutorial was helpful, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. When you're done making or tying your ghillie, just have to push it towards the back a little from your forehead so that it looks nice and prettier on your head. Now I am good to go. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. So guys, please don't fail to turn on your notification buttons so that the next time I post, you'll be the first to know. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.